Install the alignment tool onto the preloaded scissor gear. It may take a second person to help align the spring-loaded gear teeth while you install the tool. Install the gear with the assembled shafts in a cruise drive vise stand. Place the transmission trapdoor onto shafts with the alignment tool to the side of the trapdoor and the thin flat side of the tool facing the trapdoor. Place the nuts on both shafts and tighten slowly and evenly from countershaft to main shaft so that the nuts are bottomed out at the same time. Remove alignment tool and torque nuts to specifications required in the service manual.